these drinks say 100% coconut water, but are actually reconstituted, made by mixing water with concentrate. FSSAI has banned this for fruit juice. The same rule should apply here. Let's tag FSSAI and ask for a change. As per a June 2024 directive from the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI, products made from concentrate and water can no longer be labeled 100% fruit juice. Your proposal to extend this rule to coconut water is a valid suggestion to ensure accurate labeling and prevent consumer deception. To have the FSSAI consider your suggestion, you can submit a grievance through one of their official channels. Background on the FSSAI regulation. Fruit juice regulation. On 3 June 2024, the FSSAI directed all food business operators, FBOs, to stop using 100% fruit juice claims for products made by reconstituting fruit juice concentrate with water. Reasoning: the FSSAI stated that such claims are misleading because the primary ingredient in these beverages is water, and the fruit component is only present in limited concentrations. Labeling requirement. Under the new rule, manufacturers must label reconstituted juices with the word reconstituted in the ingredients list. Products with added nutritive sweeteners above 15 kg must also be clearly labeled as sweetened juice. How to file a complaint with the FSSAI? The FSSAI has a robust system for handling consumer concerns, which can be accessed through the following channels. 8. File a complaint online. 14. Visit the FSSAI's Consumer Grievance Portal, Food Safety Connect, at foskills.fssai.gov.in Consumer Grievance.
मैंने पुराने पैक पिए भी नहीं है, बस स्टोर करके बैठा था कि जब ये चेंज आए तो मिलके सेलिब्रेट कर सके। वेल धन्यवाद आप सभी को कि आपने उस वीडियो में एफएसएसआई को टैग किया एंड ये चेंज आपकी वजह से जल्दी से आया। दोस्तों बता सकते हो इन दोनों में से असली 100% कोकोनट वाटर कौन सा है? ये ना तो भाई फिर ये कि 100% कोकोनट वाटर लिख रहे हैं। एंड शॉकिंग बात ये कि ये दोनों रिकॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड कोकोनट वाटर है, यानी कि पानी में कंसंट्रेटेड कोकोनट वाटर मिला के बनाए जाते हैं। कुछ ऐसा ही देखिए सेम फ्रूट जूस में भी होता था, लेकिन लास्ट ईयर एफएसएसआई ने क्लियर रूल बनाया कि रिकॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड फ्रूट जूस यानी पानी में कंसंट्रेटेड फ्रूट जूस को 100% फ्रूट जूस लिखना मना है। अब अगर कोकोनट वाटर देखें तो बहुत सारी कंपनीज 100% लिखती है। जो एसिडिक कोकोनट वाटर डाल रही है उनसे कोई शिकायत नहीं, लेकिन जो रिकॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड है उनमें सेम फ्रूट जूस वाला रूल लाना चाहिए। तो मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि एफएसएसआई को टैग कीजिए ताकि हम मिलकर ये चेंज ला पाएं।
The helpline is typically available from सुबह के 9:30 बजे to शाम के 5:30 बजे on weekdays. 3. Contact via email. You can email your concerns, including evidence, to info@fssai.gov.in. 4. Use social media. You can publicize your concern by tagging the FSSAI on social media platforms like X, formerly Twitter, using their official handle @FSSIndia. For the most official record, however, it's best to also use one of the other methods. When submitting your complaint, include the following details. Clearly state that you are requesting the FSSAI to extend the ruling on 100% fruit juice, labeling to include 100% coconut water. Explain that products made from concentrate and water are being labeled as 100% coconut water. Mention that this is a misleading practice, similar to the one already addressed for fruit juice. Provide a clear and factual description, and attach your supporting evidence. The change in labeling for Storia and real coconut water Bratsa is a direct result of a new directive from the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI. The FSSAI has banned the use of 100% claims on food products when the term cannot be legally or scientifically substantiated and was influenced by social media activism from consumers. Background on the 100% claim. Misleading claims. The FSSAI observed that many Bratsa use the 100% claim for products like fruit juices, implying pure, fresh quality. However, many of these were made from reconstituted concentrates, which is not pure juice. The FSSAI concluded this was a deceptive marketing practice that misled consumers. Undefined term. Under the Food Safety and Standards, Advertising and Claims, Regulations of 2018, there is no official provision or definition for the term 100%. The undefined nature of the claim was a primary reason for the ban. Consumer activism on social media. Consumer complaints. A viral video by consumer activist and influencer Revant Himmat Singh, also known as Food Farmer, highlighted the deceptive labeling practices of many fruit juice and coconut water brutsa. Public pressure. The video and subsequent public outcry prompted many consumers to tag the FSSAI on social media, drawing the regulators' attention to the issue. Influence on FSSAI. The FSSAI's subsequent ban on 100% claims on packaged food labels demonstrates how consumer advocacy can drive meaningful changes in food safety and labeling standards. Impact and new labeling. Industry-wide change. The FSSAI directive, issued on 30 May 2025, instructed all food business operators, FBOs, to cease using the 100% claim on their packaging. Specific examples. Following the directive, prominent brutsa like Storia and Reel removed the 100% coconut water claim from their labels. Updated claims. These brutsa now make more specific and truthful claims, such as 100% no added sugar, to comply with the FSSAI's new regulations. Drinking coconut water benefits the skin by deeply hydrating it, providing antioxidants to fight aging and skin damage, and promoting collagen production for a more youthful, supple appearance. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties can also help soothe irritation, control acne, and detoxify the body, leading to a clearer, brighter, and more balanced complexion. Hydration and radiance. Deep hydration. Coconut water's high water and electrolyte content, like potassium, sodium, and magnesium, helps maintain the skin's moisture balance, keeping it plump, soft, and glowing. Natural radiance. By hydrating the skin from within and helping to flush out toxins, it enhances your skin's natural glow and can reduce dullness. Anti-aging and repair.